Hey YouTube, it's On the Lot Journey. I'm coming to you with a quick tutorial on how I got these curls. Perm rod curls are my favorite kinds of curls. They're bouncy, they look like curly fries, and they last a really long time. All I do is use a little bit of oil and water, and for days my curls are popping, popping, popping. To see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So here I am right before I do this tutorial. I've just freshly washed my locks and I've made a spritz using aloe vera juice as well as a combination of oil that I mentioned in a previous video to keep my hair moisturized while I'm going through the process. I mix them together in a spray bottle like this one, and then I use 4 different sizes of perm rods, and these were just perm rods I had laying around the house. And the perm rods just secure themselves around the lock, and then to remove, just unhook and unravel. As you can see, I have a smaller container of just the essential and natural oils in a bottle, and then I am spraying my roots using the aloe vera juice oil mix to keep my roots moisturized, and I'm gonna retwist my hair as I go along. I'm gonna be using the same retwist method that I mentioned in a previous video where I retwist 3 locks at a time. I take each lock, I twist at the root about 3 times, and then I braid the 3 locks together to secure them at the root so that I don't have to use clips or gel to keep my locks in place. Then I'm going to take perm rods and I'm going to put 1 lock to each perm rod, and I'm going to roll upwards. Once I get to the root of the lock, then I secure the perm rod in place, and then I repeat the process again. And I'm going to do this same process of retwisting 3 locks at a time, braiding at the root, and then rolling 1 lock to a perm rod again and again until I complete my whole entire head. While I'm doing this, I'm watching my favorite YouTube videos. At some point my husband calls and I'm talking to him, I'm laughing at the phone, and it took me about an hour. Once the rolling process is done, I tend to let my hair air dry or maybe sit under a hooded dryer for about half an hour, and then I unravel the locks. I like to keep a plastic bag nearby and unclip the perm rod and then pull downwards. And I repeat this across my head until all of my locks are free. So whenever I think I'm done, I always find a few more perm rods, which is what I'm checking for. But here's the final look right after I pull all of the perm rods out. I've got bouncy curls, they look like curly fries, and this typically will end up lasting me 2 weeks or until I decide to wash my hair again. I tend to tie my hair up at night using a satin scarf or an old pair of stockings to keep my curls bouncy, and it's pretty low maintenance, and I go about my day as usual. See, look, there's a straggler, found it. But yeah, these are my favorite curls. Thanks for watching, bye.